You guys need to be here by this time. You need to get in here so quick. There's no need to waste time, no need wasting time. This is why I always tell most of you guys that you should always try your best to at least subscribe to this channel and push the notification bell. It's very important. Push the notification bell so that whenever we are live, at least you will be among the first set of people to know that we are live. So let me introduce you this channel. This is a Forex channel. We talk about Forex news. Anything you are doing that can affect your Forex, that is what we always talk about inside this channel. You are welcome as you are joining. You are welcome as you are joining. Please share this broadcast and give us a like. Now, this is all about the USD JPY. As you have seen, levels is getting broken to the downside. Okay. Let me hold on because we don't have our guys here yet. We are waiting for our own guys to come in so that we can share this signal of the USD JPY. But as you are coming in, you are welcome. Okay? Good. You are welcome. But one thing I'm going to do for you guys that is going to come in so quick, USD JPY is a sell. Just USD JPY is now a sell. What you're going to do? Now, let me tell you what you are going to do, because this USD JPY pair now has changed to a sell from the up. What you're going to do is just, you are going to pen a sell stop order. Welcome, friend, welcome. A sell stop order is what you are going to pen. Welcome, everybody, welcome. Now, because this signal is very fast, okay? My eyes may not be on the screen. I may not see you coming in, but you are welcome. Now, you see what we are doing here is that the USD JPY have changed all the way into a sell. We have seen some levels broken to the downside, okay? Yes, levels broken, okay? And what you're going to do right now, anyway, I hope somebody is not gonna call me and disrupt this live show for me now. I don't know. I should have put this thing on a kind of airplane mode. Anyway, let's continue. So we're gonna pen a sell stop order on this level of 143.977. Okay, this is USD JPY. It has changed into a sell. We're gonna pen a sell stop order at this level, 143.977. 143.977 is where we're gonna pen this sell stop order, man. It is just below this important level that is getting broken just now. One level is getting broken just now to the downside, and then your own sell stop pending order is just below that level, because when the big candle to the downside is going to come, it's going to activate you into profit. Good. I don't buy the idea of jump into the market as you see the price. I don't buy it, but I mean, a professional will jump into this market right now and wait for the big candle to come out later. But I don't want you guys to develop that idea of jumping into the market. It is like jumping into the ocean. That is why I said pen your own order on 143.977. Let the price come and break it. As you are coming in, pen your order. That is it. Like this broadcast, subscribe to this channel, put your notification to all, you know, because when we come live like this, hey, what's up, my guy, what's up, Samuel? I see you, Samuel. You are welcome. You know, I know some of you coming up late, but Samuel, I know I see you, you came up late. But what we've done is that the USD JPY have changed into a downside, and then what we said is, as you are coming in, pen your own sell stop order to 143 point, you know, what we say, 143 point. You see, the levels is changing as the price is moving. So look, 144.004 sell stop order, 144.004 USD JPY, 144.004 sell stop USD JPY. Pen that order in that place, you know, because as the price is fluctuating, the level I'm calling also is changing. So anywhere you pick it, it's okay. It's one thing about my chart, okay? When we get the level, you know, it moves with the price. It will get to a point where the level will just vanish, and at that point is when I will tell you guys that, oh, sorry, we cannot enter anymore if the level has vanished. But for now, this is what we get. A sell stop order on the USD JPY, sell stop, you know, 144.041. 144.041. Pen that order there. It is a sell stop. Okay, you are welcome, everybody, man. Welcome, everybody, man. Okay, and now, if you look at the caption, you see that this is just a kind of signal of maybe one day between today and tomorrow we should hit this take profit level, you know. And what that tells us is that, you know, put your entry in, get your stop loss and take profit. Just leave it, let it roll. I mean, within 24 hours you get your profit, because that is where the market is going at this moment. It will go there. So if we're gonna talk about stop loss, hey, konnichiwa, that is our Japanese. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce your name in Japanese, but I can see konnichiwa, and I know that is our Japanese fellow. Yeah, konnichiwa, genki desu ka? No, you are welcome here. You are welcome here. You know, nani ka wakaranai toki yattara sa, ne? Nihongo de taite ore yomu, ne? Yomeru. Nihongo mo pera daijou. You're welcome. You see how I spoken Japanese language to this guy now, you know? One thing they tell you, be your brother's keeper, man. You be your brother's keeper. Appreciate everybody who join your show. It's not easy to join somebody's show, you know. John Boy, hi, how are you? Samuel, I hope you are okay. I just like because you've been honest. You said, let the price come to us. Yes, Samuel, thank you so much. At least you repeat what I told you guys. You understand? You repeat what I told you guys, that I said, let the price come to you. There's a reason for that. Okay? Because for me, as a professional, okay, I can dive in and sit down there and be looking at it. Why? Because I know what is going to happen. I know the kind of candle that is going to come out next. So if I put my own entry in direct, and I sit down and I'm looking at it, or maybe I just go away, I go wherever I want to go, I know how the market is going to play. I know the candle I'm expecting next. And you know what? Everything I have also is on my phone, like something on my phone that will just be giving me some kind of alert information, even if I'm not at home in front of my computer. So if the thing I'm expecting is not doing what I want it to do anymore, it will alert me on my phone anywhere I am. So when I check it, I see, okay, this is no more playing. Okay. But my case is not always like this. That's why I always tell you guys, let the price come to you. Because I know many of you, a lot are beginners, you know. When you jump in now and you see that, okay, there's a kind of fluctuation, now you are panic. But I said, let the price comes to you, because there are levels that will be broken. And when the level is going to be broken, it will be broken by a very big candlestick with a force. It's a force. That means it's going. So it will activate you. Because it's going, it will activate you into profit. Except if it's not going. If it's not going, it will turn away. It will go away from the level it is. It will never break it. It will go away. So it will not activate you. So it is better never to activate you than to activate you and lose your money. So if it is going, it will activate you into profit. You will see instant profit. That is why I said, don't jump into it. Let it come to you. Hey, good evening, man. Good evening, Grime Rapper. Okay, Grime Reaper. Good evening. I see all of you. Okay, what Samuel say? Intermediate. I like intermediate. Oh, well, yeah, well, Samuel, intermediate is okay, okay? But you see, it depends on what the market is giving us. If it gives us a short-term trend, we follow it. It gives us a long-term trend, we follow it. And you know that both short-term and long-term trend is what made up a chart. So for me, I cannot say that intermediate is good. Okay, follow intermediate. I can't say it. But I can say, okay, for me, this is what we do here. We see short-term trade or short-term trend, which will last for just 24 hours. Yeah, we do follow it. Short-term moves, the next you get is the longest leg. So it's not like we are here based on just a short term. No, we are here. We trade the short term moves, and we trade the long term moves too. Because all these short term moves you see now is gonna lead to the long term leg. You know, your chart is playing something. Your chart is playing something. It is playing you something called the harmonics pattern. It's giving you a kind of W shape and then the M shape. So which of the legs is forming is what we are trading. Okay? Imagine this W shape. Okay? W. If you pick your pen and you draw a W shape on a paper, you will see the two middle legs, not the two outside legs like this, the two middle legs. The two middle legs, inner legs. You see how they are short? Those are the short legs of your chart. You see the two legs out that goes like this. Those two outside legs. So if you get the longest moves, which you call intermediate, I don't know, maybe that's intermediate or what you call it. That is the longest leg you will pick if you follow this your chart or the strategy I'm using for you. So, wait, let me talk to some people here too, because I know some people came late. So what we are doing here is that I said, okay, you wait, Matt, I saw your comment, but please give me one moment. I said, what we're doing here is that the USD JPY now is already confirmed. 100% is going down, turning down from where it is right now. It's confirmed, 100%. There's no doubting, no looking back, no thinking, no sweating, no gambling. You understand? Everything in my brain now is this is going down. It has broken levels. And you are catching the fast entry. you are catching the first level broken, and that is the best entry. You understand? You are aiming for big profit. Now, pen your order at 144.041, and that is a sell stop order. You see, this is the last announcement, because any moment from now, you see that candle right now, it has power. Okay, it is gaining momentum. The power is getting strong. If you don't put your sell stop at 144.041 right now, this is the last announcement. This is, I think, if we have the next two candles, either the next candle or the next candle will break this level that I tell you to pen your order right now. 144.041 sell stop. Only 3 people give me a like. Man, everybody please drop like. It's so important. As you are coming in, subscribe to the channel, my friend. Subscribe to the channel, my friend. Okay, Matt, let me see what Matt is saying. I want to start day trading. Okay, Matt, you want to start day trading. Okay, that means you are not yet a day trader, but you are interested, right? All right. You see what you're gonna do, okay? Because me, I already have everything that is guiding you guys. Go and check my channel, okay? I mean, not even need to check my channel. You see this live that you are watching now. Under this live, go to the description of this live. You will see where I write something like, watch this video. You see that video you're going to see there? That is the video you need to watch. That video will guide you. It will guide you into success. You understand? That video will guide you into success. And I've made this description under this video. This description now, okay? It is now the description on all my videos. I change all the description to that one, so that anybody can access it from any video. Go to the description, just pick the video, watch it. Watch it. You will come and tell me, thank you very much. I tell you, you will tell me, thank you very much. I got secret, man. I got secret that I hide, and I'm revealing it little by little, man. Oh, thank you. Well, not NOT. Thank you for your good comment. But I am not beautiful, my friend. I am handsome. You say to me I am handsome, not beautiful, man. I don't appreciate that word beautiful. Say you are handsome. I appreciate you though. Sometimes we handsome guys like this, we don't need to bring our face out. You understand? Sometimes I need to just try to look little bit ugly, and look like chimpanzee or babu, so that when I bring my face out, nobody will come and tell me you look beautiful. No, I don't look beautiful. I look handsome. I look takeaway. Samuel, you are listening. Thank you for listening, man. Now, let us proceed, where we're going to talk about the stop loss and the take profit. Yes, stop loss, take profit. But before we do all this thing about stop loss and take profit, because I gave you guys a little time to, put your own entry in. That's why you see me sometimes I pause or I deviate because I gave you time to put your own entry in. Now, I don't know if you guys watch my last video, and that is the video I'm telling Nat to go and watch. To to go and watch. It's under the description of all my videos. In that description, I said, watch this video. You see, there's something about that video. That video is going to tell you about how you should set up your chart. And that your chart is going to look exactly same like my own chart here. Now, whenever I'm giving you signal, all you just need to look is just look at your chart. Then you will know why my signal comes as such, why I give that signal. That video I tell you guys to go and watch is a video where if you make your own chart to look like that, you have built a chart that will tell you that that trend has changed. And you have built a chart that gives you entry, and you built a chart that gives you exit. That's all you need to be a good trader, man. I said, if you want it to build your chart to be like that, with just simple, cheap tools, cheap tools, only 3 tools, cheap. I say, my friend, look, buy me super tanks. Just buy super tanks. Come to me on WhatsApp. I didn't say buy super tanks of $5,000. I didn't say buy super tanks of $1,000. I said, look, you just want to support this channel. Buy super tanks. Whatever the price you feel, just buy super tanks. Come to me on WhatsApp. Carry your receipt. Screenshot it. Send it to me. Say, bro, I bought super tanks. You know, if you buy, I will know, because YouTube will bring me all the details. I will see it. But bring your receipt. Let me see it's you on WhatsApp. See, immediately I will send you these 3 tools. Only 3 tools. Put it on your chart and then begin to see. Because if I'm training you, if I am training you with a specific tools, but you are using another tools on your own chart, you see that it doesn't rhyme. It doesn't rhyme. What I am saying might not be what your chart is telling you, you know. But as you come in here, you buy super tanks to get cheap tools and put on your chart the way that video is telling you. Now you are here. I gave you signal. Now you are looking at that your chart, because it's exactly like mine, and you can see and you can tell. Now tell me, you know that is how you learn Forex, because your chart is not going to be saying B when me I'm saying A. It's not going to rhyme. You will be confused. You know, that video will help you. Honestly, watch it. It will help you a lot. Now, let us go to our own stop loss. Stop loss on the USD JPY. Yep. Final announcement of USD JPY. Jimmy, how are you? I see you, man. How are you? Jimmy. Final announcement on the USD JPY, because some people just came in, you know, and this is going to be the final announcement. Now, pen your own sell stop order at 144.059. If you have penned your order before, don't worry about the figure changing, okay? It's how the market is moving, changing the figure, man, okay? But for the last time here, pen a sell stop order 144.059 USD JPY, and then the stop loss is going to be 145.129. Stop loss 145.129, and then the take profit, the final exit. Final exit take profit 142.580. Look at the risk reward ratio. the risk reward ratio, because you are catching a fast entry. You got a chart, a good chart that tells you that the trend has changed, and now you catch what? I don't know. You catch the best entry to risk little. Look at that entry and the stop loss. Look at it. Very, very small, tight stop loss. Look at the entry and the take profit. You see how many pips that is? Man, make this type of profit 3 times in a week. I tell you, your life is good. Your life is good. If you catch this one 3 times in a week, your life is very good, man. Oh, no, no, no. Well, I think I've called what I want to call. Enough of repetition and repetition. You know, I've called everything I want to call. Yeah. Metaverse. This is a live show, man. Okay, you are on a live show. Metaverse. You are on a live show. Let me see who is talking. I've seen some Japanese people here. Yep. Okay. Okay, my Japanese friend, you are telling me thank you very much. Okay. Do itashimashite. Do itashimashite. You are welcome. You know. Uh, Grime Rapper, good evening. Samuel. Now, Samuel. What did Samuel say here? But I like to listen and learn. Okay. I used to trade on the brokerage OTC. Okay. Fake market, LOL. Now, I just trade on Nadex. Okay. Real market hours, binary options. Okay, Samuel. Well, I'm sorry that I'm not a fan of binary option. But, the Forex is my own main thing. So, I don't know how to even talk about binary option. I don't know what to say about it. You understand? That's it. But if you can change your mindset into Forex, you go grab the video I put under the description of this live show, watch it, and just look at something. You are sitting in front of something that can really help you. You got in your phone something that that is going to drive you into making a very good result. You understand? If you do that, I think you will have a mindset to just throw away what you don't know and sit with what is in your front as a result. Okay, you like my air. Okay, thank you, my friend. Why you cut it like that? Yeah, bro. I mean, I like your question, man. I just cut it to look different. Okay, just look different from everybody anywhere. Just go and look different. You know, you don't need to look like people. You don't need to look the way the society wants you to look before they can validate you and say, "Oh, that's a gentleman. That's a gentleman." You know, you need to go and look original of yourself, the way you like to look. you know so to me, that's why I cut my hair like this, and I have different style. Okay, this is just this is just one. It's just one of them. If you go watch most of my video, you will see that it's always always different, always different. This is just one. Okay. I've been carrying this type of hair for like roughly 10 years now, so that's me everywhere. Okay, who is this one? Somebody come with the with the French language. Oh, le eventual da evden. Sorry, your French. Huh. Go and translate to English. I can understand. Huh? Comment ça va? I don't know what that language is. Okay. Short term, long term, they are together. That's from Samuel. Yes. My strategy and my signal, short term, long term, they are together. If you go and follow all my videos, just only the thumbnail of my live shows will tell you everything. When you look at the date, you know, only this one now carries like a 9 to 10, 9th to 10th 2025 June. That means this one is a short it's a short signal, man. It's a short signal. But even we say this is a short signal, it's about 200 pips. Abi, am I looking properly? 144 point to 142 point. My friend, it's 200 pips, man. You are talking of 200 pips, calling it a very short term signal, man. But that is my own short term. That's the lowest profit I do make. What do people say? Okay, I'm just saying, I'm not advanced like you, nor beginner. I need to learn divergence, or should say master it. Okay, that's from Samuel. Yeah, it's good. You say you are not a beginner, at least when you are talking of divergence, you see this strategy I'm using here, it covers everything. Because when you look the way that I pick the trend has changed so quick, you can tell that is divergence. You will tell that is divergence. So my signal and my strategy, I don't know, it covers everything. It covers everything. You are not going to go learn only divergence or master only divergence. If you master only divergence and you are sitting on your chart, and let's say there's something playing like a kind of a choppy market on the moving average, and you are thinking that is divergence, if your chart began to deceive you or start to deceive you, you will not learn only. If you want to be a driver of a car, right? You will not say, okay, because I'm going to be a very good driver, or I want to be a good driver, let me just master how to handle the steering alone. Okay, so you mean you just want to master how to just handle the steering, you don't want to master how to use the gear, use the brake, and how can you be a good driver then? If you go and master only divergence, where this Forex is carved into different kind of knowledge. Samuel, that's you I'm talking to. Different type of knowledge in this Forex. When you merge it together, it become one. That is where you see the knowledge that I'm using for people here. Whatever the chart is doing, I know what is playing. What is playing? I will never sit down and say, okay, I'm waiting for divergence. I'm waiting for divergence. Okay, I'm waiting for divergence. While you are waiting for divergence, but divergence is going to be playing in your front and you will never know. Or something is playing like divergence, but it is not. And you will think that is divergence. You see? That's why I said, under all my video now, I have gone to change the description. There's one video I said, watch this video. You see that video? Just go and watch it. Listen to what I'm saying there. Go, if you get interest, go and build your own chart to look like that, because it is a replica of my own chart. So that when I'm giving you this signal, you will know why. Why is this guy giving this signal? Why? You will see it, you will know. So that what I'm saying will never be strange to you. What I'm saying will relate with you. Me and you will be on the same page. We'll be looking at the same picture. But when I say now that if somebody is trading harmonics right now, and I tell the person, hello, this trend has changed, and he's trading harmonics, you know he's going to argue with me. There will be argument. He will never believe the trend has changed until that harmonics will tell him. You understand? This is why I said, go and watch the video. Let all of us go and be on the same picture, so that when I am now sitting here giving the signal, everybody will now be looking at that chart, the same picture we are looking at. You understand? It's just like now me just explaining what is happening on the chart, explaining the book you are looking at. You understand? If I'm a newscaster now, you know, I'm just showing you one news and I'm there just broadcasting the news. But the news I'm broadcasting is what you are watching on your TV, right? So we are all on the same picture. So if your chart doesn't look like mine, how will you even know what I'm telling you? If I'm giving you fake signal, you will not know. You will say, hi, yes, that's good. That's, oh, Twali Baba. This guy knows it. Twali Baba. It's when you are gone, and I off the camera. You blow your account. You say, this guy. But when I'm telling you now, go and watch that video. Let's be on the same page, so that we will not be lying to ourselves like abracadabra. So that everything we are talking here, me talking, you listening to me, we can see the same picture. That look, nothing is hidden. Okay, look at it. The book I'm reading to you is right in your front. No magic. Okay, that is it. That's called transparency. And before somebody is going to be transparent, you know that person must trust himself so much. You understand? That shows you I trust myself a lot. And that shows you, man, that even to make a video and tell you, go and watch the video first and do your chart to be like that, you have to know that, man, this guy carries a result on his hand. You understand? That is what is called a magnetic human being. Someone who is magnetic, can command anything. You see, that's why I said, build your chart and see what happens first. Because for now, we cannot even talk. We can't talk. Now, let me see. Who is talking again? I think I've answered you. Metaverse. Yes, it is live show. I drop like and subscribe. Thank you. Oh, okay, Matt. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you. Jimmy. Hello, sir. You are welcome. Okay. Have I answered everybody? Okay. Okay, man. I think somebody's asking something. How do you trade? That's Cleopas. Cleopas say, how do you trade? Okay. Cleopas, you say, how do you trade? Okay, I think you need to go to the description of any of my video. Just watch that video I tell you guys to go and watch. Okay, that video really I've explained a lot of things, man. Honestly. Okay, man, I think by this time, I think I'm done. I'm done with giving you talking, but I believe many of you guys have liked this show. I hope you share. I hope you have given me a thumbs up or whatever. Don't forget, we have membership on this channel. If you want to support the channel, just click any membership that you feel you like. Just join membership. Join membership. Sometimes we put some educational content in the membership section. But always try to go and think of how to build your chart too in a very good way, that at least it will make your Forex to look very simple. You know, that's why I put the video under any description of my channel. Go and watch that video and you will tell me thank you. Instruction: watch the video, join WhatsApp, come and meet me on WhatsApp and tell me I just purchased super tanks. And now see, you see the tools you see on that video that I used to build that chart. I will send those tools to you. Anyway, I think this is the end of the show, man. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye. Until until next time, Until next time. Take care, man. Thank you.